That was good, guys. We're in no music today. First come obviously. I can't put music because we get copyrighted for some reason, even though I've got 10 followers. So that is that. Well, let's dig into it today. Go through what I'm seeing off first market open. Let's mark out our market start times and yeah, let's just go through overall bit of a daily bias, where we want price to go, where we think price will go. And then let's see if we can take a trade that sort of marries that. So obviously on this already I'm seeing quite a bit of chop. I see we come up and then we've sort of consolidated there. Let's see. So I'm always looking at what the session before this. So it looks like Tokyo session is let's identify the lows. Hasn't touched any lows, but it has came out and swept these highs to create these highs on the hourly. Yeah. So we've come out, took out these highs. So I think we'll probably want to continue down, probably to these lows, or then maybe come up and take out this liquidity. I think my approach to these kind of sessions is going to be a bit different to what I normally trade, because we only have this one session to go off because I've traded a London session. I was in here, we manipulate up, take out this liquidity, so we're probably going to look for some sort of reversals. Right now, we're in bullish order flow, so I'd like to see a break to validate bearish structure, and then we'll probably take shorts. I think we're going to be, I say shorts, yeah, probably on for a short day here. Let's look on the 4 hour. Then again, is that an equal high? If that's an equal high, then maybe we change. Now that is my only issue here, is we've got to make that equal high. However, if we're going to break 5 minute structure, I'm happy for us to just ignore that and just trade sort of in without think of that. If we do want to come up and take out that high, that's absolutely fine. But initial bias is going to be a short. I'd like to target these lows on here. Yeah, target these lows. So initial bias today is going to be short. I want to break structure. I've got a bad voice. Yes, I want to break structure. Go down and target these lows. We're looking for it. We have came up and swept that 5 minute liquidity, which is sort of our like manipulation confluence. We need to sweep out some sort of 5 or 15 minute. We're not sweep out 15 minutes, we sweep out 5, which is fine. Maybe have a little look in the 1 minute for a bit of a continuation. We've just filled this for value gap. We could be in a trade already. Just a short one, quick one. Let's see how we react off this. We've already made quite a bit of a doji going into it, so if we make big legs down, I think we can hit these lows if needs be. Oh. The only issue is obviously that let's see how we go. If we can just get a few more pushes down, let's get the order ready. I don't wanna leave my baby alone. Yeah, the only issue is if I want to post this stream on YouTube, I have to let's go 50% risk on this. Let's see how we play. I'm not in yet, I'm still just waiting for a little bit of a push on price. It's still not in yet, I'm looking for an entry with equilibrium. I'm pretty sure I'm happy to enter. 5 minute sweep, we've got to break a structure. This is what I'm looking for, just to continue. Looking all sorry. Still keen for a 5 minute break is the issue. However, that retrace does look quite nice on the 5 minute. We are looking like we're going to form bearish order flow because we've came out and took out that high, as well as taken out a high during Tokyo session. Let's just wait for a little bit of a push. Why is I pinged that bad? I think we've... Alright, so we're going to come back up. That's fine, good job in the enter. If that's going to hit a doji, then I'm... Interesting. Don't know what happened there, the Wi-Fi just went dog on me. Yeah, I'll probably look to enter here after that doji candle. If we can maintain it just about. I'd like to see a bit influx of price. I think we're a bit flat at the minute. I don't know if you've got that. We have just took out liquidity, so I'll be hoping for us to maybe make a bit of a move, either up or down. We just can't seem to be staying in the same spot right now. But what is my thought process on this trade? So while we wait for price to do its thing, so my thought process for this trade was during Tokyo session, what have we done? We've came out and took out these highs here, so these old sort of session highs. We've came and took these out. Are these daily highs right up here? Sorry. They're not daily highs, okay. That's fine. So what have we done, during the thing, we've sort of came out, took out these highs. So we've manipulated up, we've took these out, and then we're probably going to look to continue and reverse that, the trend that we've saw there. Right, okay, so now a bit more suitable here because we've got our breaker structure down here. So yeah, we've came up, we took out liquidity. After that, what do we want to do? We just want to retrace and it's a bit of an awkward one, this. There we go, we've tapped in that for leg gap. As well as this order block here. So a high confluence area there. If we get good rejections, I'm taking this. But yeah, so we've swept out, we've manipulated, we've swept out liquidity, and then we're going to probably look to continue that into this session, and probably go down and fill these highs. We just need to find a good entry, which might take some time. And we're still down from there. If we can get a good candle down, we're still in bearish structure on the 1 minute. We still look pretty bullish on that. Yeah, but I'm not really so concerned about that. I think we're going to go down. I think we're going to break structure anyway. Why is that? I want to put the price up, my bad. What? Oh, what the fuck? I think I booted it. There we go. Just wait for this to get filled, but Apple Music Replay came out yesterday for the month. Let's have a look. We'll have a look. Still not really getting anything. Why is it just, oh my god, what the fuck is going on? Coming up again, bruv. Alright, looks like we're pushing. That's fine. That's why we're patient, that's why we wait for the minute breakers, that's how we do all this stuff. We wait for the 5 minutes, that's why we be patient, that's fine. If we're gonna go, we're gonna go. Take all this off. Let's chill. Still got that to come down to anyway. Apple Music reports, just check on gold quickly. Fucking hell, we haven't done our analysis, we were so hooked. Alright, this is looking juicy. I thought this looks nice. Yes. Highs rather there. Alright. During Tokyo here, what I can see is we sort of come down and we take out all of this, and then we reverse, but as it's time we're going up, and then for some reason we probably take out this internal 15-minute high. Is that an hour high? It's not some sort of takeout that high. And then we're going to manipulate down. So now we're going to look for, this is our manipulation, now we're going to look for a little bit of a reversal. Because we've just took out, this is a good. We feel good for a little long setup here. Especially because I'd say we're pretty bullish. You can see we're making strong legs up through the last, since the 29th of June, whenever that is, for the week. So we're pretty bullish on gold, so I reckon we can keep on pushing. Let's just take out that high and run. See if we find a bit of an equilibrium for any of these moves. A bit far off for that. Probably fully equilibrium off this. Yeah, nice. Alright, so we've got sort of our two biases for today. I didn't even come to gold because I was focused on GBYJPY. But now we know that's what we're going to do. We've got a bit of a plan going into the day, which is always good. One that we can stick to as well and see why this can't happen. Just don't really want to go down again, we want to be going up, boys. I've just took it out. Looks like we're going to make a 5-minute candle retrace. Not really what I want to see, to be honest. I mean, if we want to come down and tap into it again, there's no issue. If we want to come down and make another wick into it, that's fine, but chances are we're going to go higher, which is definitely a good thing. Yeah, so what I'm noticing on this session is, I'm going to just looking at this. So it looks like we're going up again. Just going to stop there in this further gap, but we've tapped into that further gap a lot, so I don't want to rinse it too much. And this is where this starts to become predictable because it's just not the best setup. We've tapped into this further gap more than once. We're in equilibrium for quite a while. We're in this order block and we're just playing within it. So I need to see something a bit more convincing. I need to see a 5-minute break structure. And now I need to see something on the 5-minute because we've faffed about the 1 minute. If we get clean price action on the 1 minute, I'm happy to enter on the 1 minute. If we hit this fair gap, hit equilibrium, hit the order block off this wick, and we just went and we made a big rejection, let me just draw it out. Draw it up here. What is it? If we come out 5-minute sweep, there's our sweep, and then this is the 1 minute candle, this is the gap. We come down and then we wick into this, and then we saw a little doji and then a candle like that also broke 1 minute stretch up we wanted to enter. That's the kind of 1 minute price action that we want to be entering off. Not when we piss around and we do that. That's when I'm like, right, let's take a step back. We didn't get our aggressive entry. We didn't get in early because of the price action. Shit. Let's now wait for a better entry, which is the more mature thing to do, and waiting is patience comes to those who, well, no, I don't even know the fucking saying, but I got real. Oh shit, I can't be strong on that. My voice is so raspy. My bad. Still, I don't know why this is booging. Let's try and get back onto. Not that. Let's kick that comp. Hello. Bread. Hello. 0, let's chill. Also, guys, if you haven't tapped in, I'm now a writer on Medium and author. I've got 2 of these in right now. I'm looking to add to it, but yeah, it's really promising. So I'm trying to get that down for a university application. Still playing in the zone. I'm still looking for a bit of 5-minute, but this isn't convincing. We've played within. I mean, we started here. We've come down, and now we're just in within that range of 120 ticks. Not really something I want to be in, but see, looks like we are going to come and take that secondary liquidity unless we want to go down further. I was going to listen to some music right now, bro. Yeah, but I'm down to come and shoot this out again. I don't think we're gonna. Just trying to think. We swept out. Did we take? I mean, we didn't take out that many. That was really. No, to be fair, we came out, took out all of this, took out all of that 15 minute. All of this was just liquidity, took out, we came down, so that's manipulated. That's then reversal. And then we didn't see a continuation, we came down. This is our manipulation. So now we're going to see a reversal continuation. I'll just cook up my pockets, got all my stuff in, I'll be 2 seconds. Now we're back. Just got my notebook. What was saying? This is what I picked up from the Daily Vice video. I'll just share it. So what did the previous session do? If we consolidated, then the likelihood is that we're gonna a new session we're gonna manipulate and reverse. Here we haven't consolidated, we've manipulated. Other option is previous session manipulation is we've swept that we're going towards liquidity, we're going towards liquidity. So new session reversal, which means we can enter. Or we do a previous session manipulation and reversal. That means on the new session we continue it. So that is what we've seen here. Is we took out highs, we took out highs, we took out highs. We've came down, so we've manipulated, we've took out highs. We've sort of, it's a weird one because we haven't swept with that much sort of thing, but we have made a 15-minute doji, which is interesting. Yeah, anyway, so we've came up, we've manipulated, we've swept out, and we've sort of reversed, and now we'll look at the continue. Take shots, but I mean, this is promising, I guess. But still, okay. What we're looking at here? Are we breaking 1 minute structure? CLIP, EPSC. I wonder if I want to bust out one song, bro. Right, if we break structure, that's nice. That's our 5 minute break. That's our 1 minute break. Looks like we're gonna just, sort of take some liquidity and keep going now. On gold, I want to see us come up now. Let's be clear about that. Alright, yeah, good, let's start seeing them coming up now. That's a secondary touch, I don't mind that. I don't mind us coming back into it, but however, we have respected this for yet, but I want to see us disrespect it, which is not a good thing. We've got our 1 minute high up here that we need to try and break past, and we're coming back down, bro. Don't use promising though. I like that. No, this isn't great. That's, try and make some fucking abolish shit up, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to come down much further. I don't think we're going to fall off a cliff here because what have we really took out? I don't think we've... But we've hit a new... This is what I'm saying is, yes, you can say that we've came out and took out this liquidity, which is like here, we've come and took out this, we've come and took out this. We've gone down, but now we've hit a new liquidity level, so we should be changing. We have reversed, we have gone down. We've had 2 hours of... And overall we are bullish. Let's have a look at the news. We've already had that. Never mind, it's 3 in the morning. Well, it's not 3, it's obviously 8 o'clock for me, but that is pre-market. That's chill. I can show you how to bust a brick if you let me. Ski. Right, we're gonna start coming up now, being funny around, but you know, it's probably the time. Man, and we just like within this range. So we need to. GBP's not looking like a great setup, even though we were looking pretty positive on the day. And this. We've made equal lows here. Okay, now we're getting some pushes up. We swept that. We just about swept that, and we brought structure out. This is nice. I don't know what we make a 1 minute sweep. That colour. Burgundy. To make it grey. Let's make a 1 minute sweep grey. So 1 minute swept that out. Okay, now took that out. Now we're going to look to inverse this for inverse and break a structure. Right, we could look at positive. Issue is we need to get past all of this bollocks because we have come down quite a bit. If we break this, if we actually break structure, I believe we're breaking 2, we're breaking this structure, we're breaking that structure. If we can break above the second structure, that's perfect. Right, nice. It's up for 1 minute continuation confluence. Scale, no. We could do with that candle just sort of sitting, not going too far. And then this massive 1 minute gap we've made here. Not get filled too much, we come down, take this. Maybe hit an equilibrium, maybe potentially this order block. Let's cause a sweep on the red line. Could hit that. To be fair, that is our that's our breaker structure. This can be our blue order block. Now I'll make up order block black. I can show you how to bust a brick if you let me. Ski. No. Right, that's perfect. That's fine if we say that. Anyway, what happened is let's take the phone off charge. Freddie Gibbs, top artist. Freddie, I've done 15,200 minutes. Top artists are Freddie Gibbs, Lil Yachty, Kendrick, Outkast, Common. Top song, All Caps by MF Doom. On the Radar, Concrete Cypher has a stonker. 35 plays, Real People by Common. Uno, It's Your World, Part 1 and 2, that's not too bad. This month's milestones, I've played 1,000 songs and oh my god. So I don't want us to go up this far because we're definitely going to sweep out. Let's just be careful about how we take because we've had like no entry. We brought structure, but we're just going to take a charge to break a structure now. Come on. And this is where this sort of fails. Is like we need to see a fell of something else. And we're at the point now where we want to be trading half an hour in. Price had a bit of time to develop. Here we go. All the way down to this. Go on. Oh, yes. Please hit equal. Oh my god, yes. Oh. And the. Oh. Don't be a prick. Like. No, don't be a prick. Go on, you've got what you need. Oh my god. Mate. Long day, we've hit that BMR, that's fine. If we can just wake it, I don't really want to close inside. Equilibrium inside the order block. I definitely do not want to come this far down. Let's wake up Quan. Fuck off. How many views do we want? 2 on the kick stream, like it's a lot. And I know, but it's for the YouTube actually. So let's chill. Do we want to fill this little gap? No, we haven't filled that. looks like it was going to go back down. This is taking out highs. This is... okay. That's something different. We adapt though. Good job that we didn't take that continuation trade. The thing is, strategy doesn't always play out. It's a bias. We didn't find a trade here. We didn't find a show within here because we just went sideways. All we did was go sideways until we took out liquidity, that's why. And I kind of want to take out that 4 hour liquidity as well. Kind of want to take out the 4 hour just so we have a bit of confidence in ourselves to go short. Kind of want to take out that 4 hour. Just like I said, kind of want to take out the 4 hour. This is culturally inappropriate. Right, we're going to take out the 4 hour. What is that? Oh my god. The thing is, I know we're going to come up and take it out. Like we did it yesterday. I lost the trade because we had another high above. We just came out, took the high and went down. So I ain't going to try and risk it. Let's just go and take it out, please. Please. Like a 1 minute touch, I don't think is enough for me to... Two viewers, make yourself known. I don't know, put something in the chat, whatever. Tell me if you're trading now, what you're trading, what pair. I just don't know who it is, bro. It's just 2 people sat here. Kind of curious. I've got bad voice as well. Got ear fever. 1 minute's just sort of flying out. Oh my god. That's not great. Let's have a look at the... Mom, wait, you went mad. I got put on this, which is pretty cool. The Investor's Handbook. Obviously about put to call ratio. That's all pretty boring stuff, I'm gonna lie. But I like it, so it is what it is. Come on, bruv. Alright, okay. Have it your way. I have it my way. Versus Gapski. Yeah, we did. Let's look for an entry. Yeah, like, yeah. That's not great price action again. We are half right. Like we've hit this one sweep about 10 times. And it's like we're just up, kind of up, kind of up, kind of up. We feel nothing. We don't feel a 5 minute confidence, nothing. It's just chop and shite price action. At least here we're seeing a bit of movement. And this session's always going to be the hardest one to trade because we don't have London session. We don't have London session to go off. So this strategy that daily buy side, the thing that I was on about here about the previous session, is it kind of consolidates on what London does with Tokyo's highs. What London does with Tokyo's highs, not really what Tokyo does with London highs from the session before. Let me see, where's London session here? Starts at what 8? Fucking hell, no, it goes on. No, 3, 8. No, it goes on for 12 hours. Jesus. I can't be right. Why the fuck am I tweaking on this? No, I'm in New York time right now, so 3:37. Here, isn't it? Okay. Took a 5 minute break of structure. I'm here for it. On this, oh my god. I had 5 minutes worth of just like in the same position, bro. Inverse gap. I don't really think I need to use apply anymore. But his two views just lurking, bro. Alright, we've definitely brought 5 minute structure. So we're gonna go down. We'll retrace at some point. We will retrace at some point. It's looking good for shorts, though. I mean, either way, my bias was for shorts. It's just how we took them, whether we're gonna. Once again, we're just gonna dig down, bro. And then this is what the fuck. And we've took all this flow resistance liquidity in the 1 minute, am I right, guys? Maybe we'll go up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I mean, in all fairness, let's be 100% clear about this. This. Rally. Guys, I found the secret sauce. The sauce. The sauce. Found the secret sauce. Right, do we want to like retrace or what? Okay. The thing is, I know that like, the thing is, it's so funny about this. I know that if I found a 1 minute entry now instead of up here, so if I found one now right down here instead of up here, I know for a fact that as soon as I enter, we'll retrace. So that's why I'm not bothered, because we'll retrace. We're gonna come up. You can't just go straight down, bro. Simple as that. After taking out, you can't just go straight down. Fucking hope you can. Back to 1, bro. Bro, I just want somebody to fucking type in the chat, bro. Alright, we break structure. Okay, we're doing it. Doing it and doing it and doing it, wow. Doing it and doing it and doing it, wow. I represent Queens, I was raised out in Brooklyn. I wonder if I'll get a copyright. I don't think it'll get blocked in countries. I want to play this song. So be it, so you cried in front of me, you died in front of me. Kind of bastard took your bitch and your pride in front of me. Hold you top of your move right up the street, and the rest is popping up, need you to eat. I got the video, I can share it, eat it. So be it, so be it. Because I'm keen to take trade, I ain't gonna lie, but I ain't keen to force a trade, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's actually no entry, there's nothing I can do about that. There's nothing I got, nothing inverse, we break. 5 minutes. It's not another 1 minute, we get nothing. We get nothing! Fucking nothing! That's enough. I wish they just released some Apple Music, bro. A million down here. I can see it. Shows a teacher. When nothing needed. So be it, so be it. Fucking repeating it's something in the region. But let me help you free it. So be it, so be it. Smoke. Be it, FSC, OLB. I can show you how to bust a brick if you let me. I'm stepping into Sydney. By each Pirelli. Circle back and come and get this Kelly. And your ears too if you want them blue like jelly. Bro, just retrace, bro. Just go up to like here. Like, come on. Trying to test me, cause niggas that I'm with like to draw. When it's sketchy, if they catch me, don't forget me. Resurrect me. Fight dog tag the same place that they forget me. Ski. So be it, so be it. So be it. You ain't malice. Oh money, you ain't Alice. God damn, you ain't Kylan. Alright, let's break structure and let's go to the moon, baby. 3 minutes though. And still no entry. We're doing the same thing on both things, bro. We break 1 minute structure and we just fucking fly. With no confluence fill. Exactly. Okay. Alright. Okay. Just fill me a gap, bro. Oh my god. Fill me a gap. Fill me a gap. Fill me a gap, please. Please. Oh, I need it. I need it. I need it. In front of me. You died in front of me. Calabasas took your bitch and your pride in front of me. You took your move right up the street. Lip gloss was popping, she didn't need you to eat. I was coming, but they ain't gonna see it. But I got the video, I can share it, ain't it. They wouldn't believe it, but I can't unsee it. Lucky I ain't TMZ. So be it, so be it. So be it, so be it. My best, but my favourite, oh shit. Seal Appy, SE, about LV. I can show you how to bust a brick if you let me. That is the best bit on the fucking album, bro. I can't wait for it to drop July 11th even. It's already been June, not bad. Do you know what make it even better if you could fucking get a bit of a fucking entry on this? Fuck off, man. Wait, no, we fill this gap one flying out right. We slave that. I didn't even realise I was too geeking. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaky. Right, is it a retrace? Yes. Is it what I wanted to see? No. But will we fly with it? Hell yeah. We're not fly with it. We've already come down so much off the fucking. We'll go that way there. I'll show you how to bust a brute if you let me ski. It's about a 1 to 4. Oh yeah, 1 to 4. God damn, we ain't care to ski. Alright, let's just go and we'll play. The thing is, my skill is if we come up. If I'm not 100% sure we don't get 100% good exit, then we gotta take trade me. Let's see. Right, this isn't confidence right now. After we just touch that, I should be shooting down like. Let's do a Musify quiz. I saw this app on Instagram Reels. It's like if you search up an artist, who should we do? Let's do Freddie Gibbs. Okay, I'm gonna go up. That's chill. To be honest, I don't even mind. Like I said, I don't even care. That's kind of good for us. Oh my god, that's perfect. Oh my god. I thought you can. Ready, chill out. I don't know. I think I get copyrighted for this, bro. That is perfect. That is fucking perfect. Fuck, I got it wrong. I'm not doing it because I got copyright. Next, I got it wrong. Yeah, we're trying this. Are we on for a little bumper clap? I mean, that's a pretty big dodgy. But it's just so unpredictable. We inverse this gap. Let me come up. Alright, this is 5 minute gap. This just changes everything. That's a 5 minute gap, Phil. It's not really easy, it's a 1 minute break. A 1 minute inverse per chance. Oh my god. They're really fucking sucking me dry, aren't they? Today. I'm fucking bent over. Fuck me. Touch it and go down. I'm getting fucking sucked dry, man. Fucking doing me nothing. It's good patience though. I'm here for that though. That's nice. Go on, break it. Go on. Go on, yeah, go on. Fucking slow. Go on. Don't fucking do that to me. Oh my god. What is this pussy shit, bro? This is actually gonna make me kill myself. I don't see why we're not going down. Alright, there we go. Come on. I've waited patiently for 50 minutes, an hour, waiting for this moment. One shot, one opportunity. Knees, weight, arm are heavy. There's vomit on his sort of mom's spaghetti. We're just not gonna do it. We're just not gonna fucking do it, boys. Go on. Go on, no, God. How much you fucking baiting out this button, bro? Fucking please, bro. Fuck up. Alright. Good entry, break a structure, 5-minute fill, let's fucking go. Let's get a spread. Why is my alright, shit. Oh my god, this game will fucking piss me off. Why? Why is this? Oh my god. Oh my. What we protected by hand start loss. I'll protect by auto block, that's sure. This little auto block. Don't do this to me, game. We broke your structure. Alright, we broke your 1 minute structure. We filled the 5 minute. We filled the 5 minute. Why? Why did this to us? It's a 15-minute law. Why? God. Tell me why. I knew it. I knew it as soon as we fucking entered the trade. I knew. Did I not say it? I said the candle that I entered the trade, the candles after will be going fucking up. Oh, it's a violent thing. I want to lose this fun account. So now I'm literally about to. Oh, fuck off. There's no bringing it back. The game is officially gone. Not that one. This one. 9-12. Fucking gone past that, love, don't worry. I was at 6-100, bruv. Come on, go down, you fucking bit. No, not that. No. Don't take it out of proportion, guys. Right, let's go down, bro. Come on. Like, you know, I'm right here. I am correct. And I'm confident. Let's do a little trade recap while we're going. It is London session. What pair is it? What are we on? About 0.5% risk. Plus or minus, and we are 2.63 risk reward. PL unknown yet. Finally, let's go. Come on. Patience, boys, patience, come on. We know where the market's going to go. We know what's going to happen. We know what's going to play out. Let's fucking get behind it. take partials off here and we'll take full, so we'll leave a runner. Probably should have risked on a bit more. What are we at now? Like 80, I don't know, 0.8% risk. I don't want to take partials here, but I take like, what is it? What's a third of that? A quarter? Like 15. How much of it? £5 per, that's fucking good, that like. Let's just de-risk a bit. Just take, oh fuck. That's that, where are we like here? That's right. No, we were right there. Fuck off. Up a little bit. We didn't even feel that. We was protected. Bring it down a bit. I don't want to just stop lower yet. That high. Let's keep pushing though, you know what I'm saying, boys? Five at 5 gap. 1 minute break structure. So 1 minute. Just journal this down, very unorthodox. You can't fully understand what session it was, the cycle we're in. That was clear that we wanted to take them highs out, that was clear. What's I'm really confident. Might as well start some breakfast cooking. So what was screening? Yeah, I need to get breakfast. I've just got fucking beans on toast, not gonna lie. What we're doing, still in Profiti. Still in Profiti. Yeah, can you go wrong with some beans and toast like that? Fucking seriously. It's good beans. So much fucking beans, what the fuck? You won't believe, God dude, you went mad, yes. Some melted cheese on top as well, that is fucking fire. Can you smell what the rock? Right, we're still going. I feel I should probably take my stop loss in. Let's find a gap. Got this little gap here. Just go in the profits so we're locked in and we don't lose any money. Monday. It's good that I'm happy. My man, yeah. Oh, let's hit this account. Let's see what's alright. Cheers, boss. I thought it was going to be some like porn or something. Fucking no. Some toast. Alright guys, need a little breakfast, so well, thanks for tuning in for on the kick stream. I'll stop the YouTube video, but I will put, we'll see how much I make. If we go, I think we're probably going to come down and hit full take profits, which is good. So yeah, if you're on the stream, let's tune in. YouTube, cheers for watching. Like I said, I'll put in the comments what profit, but we're looking pretty good. Thanks for watching guys, see you in a bit.